When your child says, I want to become a fashion designer, what is your first reaction? Do you think there is no job security? Very few people can become successful. Or engineering or medicine is the much safer than designing. If your answer is yes for any of these questions, then please listen this video fully. In today's video, I will explain everything parents and students need to know about the fashion designing course after 12th grade. You can make informed career decision instead of believing the common myths. Hi, I am Rajani Devi, certified career counselor from Shine Careers. My mission is to help the students make informed career decisions without losing money and time in the wrong careers. In this video, we will discuss about what is fashion designing, really what is that, who should choose the courses, fashion designing after 12, top colleges, career opportunities, salary, future scope, common myths, and my advice to the all the parents. So still end, you please watch it and don't skip the video. At the end, I am going to give you wonderful thing about the fashion design. Most students will make that mistake and how to avoid that. So let's see, what about fashion designing? Do you think only stitching the clothes, ramp walks? If that is your answer, no. Fashion designing is much more than stitching the clothes. It's about solving problem through creativity and design. Fashion designers create products that are attractive, comfortable, functional, suitable for different people, occasions, and lifestyles. The fashion industry includes clothing, footwear, accessories, jewelry, luxury brands, sportswear, costume design, sustainable fashion technology, digital fashion, and so on. Today, technology is like AI, 3D design, including this fashion design, the industry is vast. So, who should choose the fashion design? Now, many parents ask me, my child likes a drawing. Is that enough to become a fashion designer? The answer is not really. Drawing is helpful, but it's not the only requirement. A successful fashion designer usually needs creativity, observation skills, interest in colors, interest in fabrics, communication skills, problem solving ability, patience, time management, a business mindset, willingness to keep learning. So remember, you don't have to be the best artist. Creativity, originality, and the ability to think differently is much required than the drawing. The next question parents ask is, who can study fashion designing after the class 12? The good news is students from science, commerce, or arts streams, any stream can usually pursue fashion design. Some popular courses in fashion designing are like Bachelor's of Design, B Design in Fashion Design, Bachelor of Fashion Technology, we'll call it BF Tech, BSc Fashion Design, Diploma in Fashion Design, and many certification courses also available. The next important question is, how do students get admission into these colleges? So let's discuss about the entrance exams. Many reputed fashion institutions conduct the entrance exams to assess the creativity and design aptitude. Some of the well-known entrance exams are like NIFT entrance examination conducted by the National Institute of Fashion Technology. It evaluates creativity, aptitude, and design skills. Next one is NID Design Aptitude Test. So it focus on creativity, observation, visualization, problem solving. Uceed conducts for admission into designing and participating institutes. Many private institutions like Pearl, Symbiosis, many other institutions also will conduct their own entrance exams and they evaluate portfolio. So, how to build this portfolio? Let's see. Now let me introduce you to something that many parents don't even know about this, the portfolio. The portfolio is one of the most important parts of the student's design journey. Think of a creative resume. It showcases your creativity, design thinking, ideas, and originality. Portfolio may include like fashion sketches, design concepts, mood boards, color patterns, fabric exploration, DIY, craft works, digital designs, photography, personal design projects. So portfolio is not about having the hundreds of drawing. It's about showing how you think, how creative you are, how you solve problems through design. Students should ideally start building this portfolio during class at 12 or at least beginning of the class at 12 itself. It's mandatory in many admission processes interviews. So the top colleges in India are required portfolios. Once students prepare the entrance exams and build a strong portfolio, next step is the choosing the college. Some reputed institutions like NIFT, NID, National Institute of Design, Pearl, MIT Institute of Design, Symbiosis Institute of Design, Institute of Fashion Technology, Lovely Professional University, Amity University. So many other colleges also conducting these entrance exams of their own. So don't choose a college simply because it's nearby. Choose the one that best matches your child's career goals. So let's see now career opportunities in the fashion designing. Now, most exciting part. Many parents think there is only one career option, fashion designer. But actually, more than fashion designing, there are so many popular career opportunities like textile designer, apparel designer, costume designer, fashion stylist, fashion buyer, fashion merchandiser, fashion consultant, fashion blogger, fashion photographer, luxury brand manager, fashion marketing executive, retail manager, production manager, quality controller, fashion influencer, sustainable fashion specialists, and so on. So, students can work in many departments like apparel, retail, luxury industry, film industry, television, e commerce companies, fashion startups, international fashion houses. So, you can see fashion designing opens doors to too much more than simply designing clothes. Let's consider the salary now. Parents often ask, can students earn well in this field? Like most careers, salary depends upon in this career mostly on skills, portfolio, college, experience, specialization, and the company where you are working. So freshers may start with the moderate salaries. As experience increases, salaries can grow significantly. Professionals who build strong portfolios, work with reputed brands, can earn excellent incomes. In creative careers, your portfolio often matters more than your marks. So, what is the future scope? The future of the fashion designing looks very promising these days because the global fashion industry continues to grow. Online shopping is expanding rapidly. Sustainable fashion is becoming priority. AI technology are creating new opportunities. Global brands are entering into new markets. Indian designers are gaining worldwide recognition. Students who combine creativity with the technology and business skills will have excellent career opportunities in upcoming years. So let's break the some common myths. Like fashion designing is only for girls. That is wrong. Many successful fashion designers are men. Only rich students can study fashion designing. Not really. Government institutions, scholarships make quality education more accessible. Only talented artists succeed. Not completely true. Creativity, discipline, continuous learning, and hard work are much more important. And few may say there are no much jobs. Absolutely false. The industry offers careers in design, technology, retail marketing, manufacturing, branding, management, and entrepreneurship. So, my advice to parents, parents, please don't reject a career simply because it wasn't popular during your time or you don't know much details about that. Instead, ask yourself, does my child have the aptitude for that career? Does my child genuinely enjoys creative work? Is this career aligned with my child's strengths? What are the future opportunities? Which college and specializations are the right fit? Career decisions should always be based on aptitude, interest, personality, and future opportunity. Should not be on assumption, but we should consider the student's aptitude and skills. If your child is confused between engineering, design, commerce, or any other career, don't hesitate to connect with the scientific approach through career counseling and psychometric assessment. At Shine Careers, I help students discover the careers that match their aptitude, personality, interest, and strength. If you find this video useful, like this video, share with others, and subscribe to the Shine Careers for more informative career guidance videos. And before you leave, I would love to hear from you. If your child has the right aptitude for fashion designing, would you encourage them to choose it? If so, why? Or why not? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay